Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Iman bin Mat Basagrus. My metric number is 1220084, and today I will be presenting about three media effects theory, which is hypodermic needle theory, two-step flow theory, and selective exposure theory. In the writing, the table of content containing introduction, historical context, body, which have comprehensive overview, ideas behind theories, analyzing the similarities and differences, concept, criticism, and also conclusion. First, we go on to the introduction. Communication has evolved through digital avenues, connecting us globally. In interpersonal communication, immersion blends with words, enriching relationships. Intrapersonal communication is a personal dialogue for self-reflection. The hypodermic needle theory posits direct media influence, while the two-step flow theory emphasizes opinion leaders. Selective exposure theory suggests individual to seek information aligning with their own belief. These communication theories shape up our dynamic human experience, weaving a complex tapestry of connection and influence. After that, we go on to the historical context. First, we look at hypodermic needle theory. In the 1930s, the hypodermic needle theory, or known as magic bullet theory, posit that media directly influence audience without resistance. However, studies like Lazar's People Choice during Franklin D. Roosevelt's campaign refuted this, highlighting the more influential role of interpersonal communication over media messages in shaping public opinion. And then we go on to two-step flow theory. In 1944, social researchers Paul Lazarsfeld, Bernard Berelsen, and Hazel Gaudet introduced the two-step flow of communication theory. Studying the presidential election, they discovered that mass media had less influence on voting decisions than personal communication. This led to the development of the two-step flow communication theory by Katz and Lazarsfeld, emphasizing the impact of interpersonal communication on public opinion. Selective exposure theory originated in 1948 with Lazarsfeld, Berelsen, and Gaudet study during the 1940s US presidential campaign. Leon Festinger later linked it into the cognitive dissonance in 1957, highlighting how individuals avoid conflicting information. By the 1980s, John Cotton and Rex Hazer critiqued methodological flaws in studies, renewing interest in the theory. Today, researchers apply it to various contexts, from media choices in authoritarian regimes to the impact of social media on adolescents' body image. We go on to see what is the similarities. These three theories, hypodermic needle, two-step flow, and selective exposure theory, reject the notion that media has a uniform and immediate impact on audience. Instead, they highlight the complex of communication, emphasizing that audience actively engage with media, challenging the simplicity of direct and unfiltered media influence. The differences are: the hypodermic needle theory sees audience as passive recipients without critical thinking. In contrast, the two-step flow theory view audience as actively engaged participant, while the selective exposure theory portrays audience as discerning individual who is intentionally choose media supporting their existing belief. The concept of these three, first we go on to hypodermic needle theory, which is this theory likens the media to a magic bullet that can shape public opinion and behavior effortlessly. Second one, two-step flow theory. Media influences opinion leaders, who then influence others, challenging the direct impact of media to the general public. The third one, selective exposure theory. Communication theory that suggests that individuals tend to select and consume media content that aligns with their existing belief, attitudes, and values, while avoiding content that contradicts or challenges their established viewpoints. Criticisms. While the hypodermic needle theory fits the daily media consumption, it lacks universality as some analog phone users remain unaffected. The two-step flow theory simplifies communication, neglecting individual agency, yet recognizes interpersonal communications role. Selective exposure theory insightful but limited, needs broader exploration for a nuanced understanding of information processing and media interaction. In conclusion, these communication theories offer insight into our relationship with media. Selective exposure theory explains our tendency to consume content, reinforcing our belief, creating a feedback loop. Two-step flow theory explore influencers acting as intermediaries, shaping media message before reaching the public. Hypodermic needle theory, though older, assets immediate and strong medium impact. Understanding this dynamic help us comprehend the intricate connections between media and opinion in our daily lives. That is all from me in this presentation. Thank you very much.